welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into Captn Trench Token, or $CPT, a cryptocurrency making waves on the Solana blockchain and available on Raydium, with potential staking options and opportunities for growth. Captn Trench Token, $CPT, is a decentralized cryptocurrency built on the Solana blockchain. It's a community-driven project focused on mention key goals/features with the ticker symbol CPT. This token aims to address a specific need or gap within the Solana ecosystem. Oh, why should you consider CPT? Well, it benefits from the speed and low transaction fees of the Solana blockchain. There's also potential for price appreciation as the community grows, plus opportunities to earn passive income through staking. And don't forget the active and engaged community and mention any unique selling points/technology. ET's walk through how to actually acquire some CPT tokens. First, you'll need to set up a Solana wallet. We recommend wallets like Phantom, Solflare, or Trust Wallet. Download and install the wallet of your choice, and be absolutely sure to back up your seed phrase securely. Next, you'll need to acquire SOL, the native cryptocurrency of Solana. You can buy SOL from a centralized exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and then transfer that SOL to your newly created Solana wallet. Now, head over to Raydium.io and connect your Solana wallet, authorizing the connection when prompted. Finally, you're ready to swap your SOL for CPT. Select SOL as the input currency and enter the amount you wish to swap. Then, select CPT as the output currency. If CPT isn't listed, you may need to manually add the CPT token address. Confirm the transaction, pay the network fee, and then check your wallet to confirm you've received your CPT tokens. To better understand this process, it's useful to know that Raydium is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, operating on the Solana blockchain. It uses an automated market maker, or AMM, protocol, providing liquidity for tokens built on Solana. This results in faster and cheaper transactions compared to DEXs on blockchains like Ethereum. What about staking your CPT tokens? Check the staking options available on mention the platform, e.g., project website, Raydium. Connect your wallet to the staking platform, approve the staking contract, and deposit your CPT tokens into the staking pool. By doing so, you can earn rewards, potentially in CPT or other tokens. Make sure you understand the staking lockup periods and the associated rewards before committing. Any in the crypto community wonder about Moonit and the potential for CPT to moon or increase significantly in value. Factors that could contribute to such growth include strong community support and adoption, successful project development and updates, increased awareness through marketing, and, of course, overall positive market conditions. It's vital to remember that cryptocurrency investments are inherently risky. It is very important to consider the risks. Cryptocurrency investments are speculative and highly volatile, and you could lose your entire investment. There's also regulatory uncertainty and potential risks associated with smart contracts. Always, do your own research, before investing in any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, $CPT presents an interesting opportunity within the Solana ecosystem. However, be sure to thoroughly understand the risks involved before investing any capital. We encourage you to join the Captn Trench Token community to stay updated on the project's progress. For more information, visit project website and follow them on social media links. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.